how to delete all reposts on Instagram at once. So if you want to delete all of your reposts on your Instagram at once, then what you need to do is head over to your Instagram application at first and make sure that you're using the updated version and make sure that you've logged into your specific account. Once you've been logged in, move to the profile icon, which will be on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're inside the profile section, you'll be able to see the repost button. So tap on repost and you'll see the list of reposts that you've made on your Instagram. But you can see here that there is no feature or the option where you'll be able to delete all of your reposts all at once. So what else you can do is delete the post manually. In order to do so, tap on the repost button, which will be on the right side of your reel or your post, and it will be deleted. Likewise, do it manually for all the other posts as well. And then all of your reposts will be removed. But there's no way that you can delete all of your reposts at once. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.